Nestle. Today I want to talk about activity in the day. In the morning, I get up at 6 o'clock. I spend 15 minutes washing my face and brushing my teeth. I usually make breakfast. I make breakfast for 10 minutes. I usually go to school at 7 a.m. I spend 5 hours studying in my school. I come back home at 15 to 12. In the afternoon, I have lunch 12:15. I spend 2 hours taking a nap. I clean my house and take out the garbage for 2 hours. I take a shower at half past 5, and I do the laundry for 30 minutes. I usually exercise 3 a week, and I have dinner at 7 p.m. I do my homework at 8 p.m. I do my homework for 2 hours, and I surf the internet at 10 p.m. I surf the internet for 2 hours, and I go to bed at 12 a.m. 12 p.m. and I fall asleep at 12:30. Thanks for watching.